Hello to all the beautiful people who have decided to be here with me today. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I'm going to be demonstrating for all of you beautiful people out there in Loc Nation how I did step one of this beautiful swirly loc bun. So if you'd like to see how I did it, keep on watching. To start this style off, you basically want to plait every 3 locks, just like I've done here. I omitted this step because everyone can do this. It's basically maintaining every 3 locks and then plaiting it, okay? Very simple. So once you do that, what you want to go ahead and do for this style is put it into a ponytail. So once you put the hair in a ponytail, what you want to do is go ahead and get ready to do your bun. So what I'm basically going to do is like split it, turn around so you guys can see, kind of like that, kind of like fan it out. I'm gonna fan it out just like that. Fan the ponytail out. I'm basically taking 6 plaits from the middle, okay? 6 from the very middle after fanning out the hair, and I'm gonna just separate it, and I'm just gonna separate it and get it out of the way. So now that we have the hair here in the middle separated, the hair around the sides that I fanned out, I pretty much put it in 4 sections and put a rubber band at the end. Second section, third section here, 4th section. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. So I'm going to take a section from the front and wrap it around under the hair that I have here under, okay? Wrap it around, okay? And this makes it easier to do a bun. Let me flip this hair up so you can see what I'm doing. See, I basically took that front section and wrapped it around under the bottom, okay? See, basically wrapped it around, and I'm gonna go ahead and tuck it right there, okay? And pretty much, you probably don't even need to put a pin there. That's how, you know, cool this is. I'm not even gonna use a pin. I'm just gonna tuck it, just like that, okay? Then I'm going to take another section from the front, and we're creating a bun. I'm just gonna wrap it, okay? Wrap it around, doesn't have to be perfect. Let me turn her around so you can see what I'm doing. See? Wrapping it around. Now see how this one is kind of bending up? Just pull it down so it can fit the bun. Great tip for doing a bun, okay? Wrap it around underneath the bottom, okay? Just like that. See? Wrap it around. Right? And I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm going to tuck that. Turn her around. See, I wrapped that around, and I'm going to tuck that and just tuck it underneath over here. Okay, easy way to make a bun. Now if you're doing this style on your hair, it does not have to be tight. You don't have to pull this tight. All right. Okay, you definitely don't have to pull it tight. See there? Bun is coming together. See what we've done so far. We took the 2 sections from the front and basically just wrapped them around and tucked it. So we're going to take the sections from the back, creating our bun, and just wrap it around just like this, okay? Now if any piece, as you're wrapping, you can see how these pieces here are kind of like sticking up. Just pull them down. This is the quick tip for making a bun. Pull them down so that they just fit, okay? Just like that, okay? And I'm just gonna wrap it around. Pull it around. Y'all, this is the easiest bun ever. I'm gonna adjust my rubber band. I might have to do a video how to make a quick easy bun. Okay, so yeah, so adjust, you can just pull them down and adjust them. So that back section, I'm just pulling it around. All right, turn her around so you can see. And I'm going to tuck that underneath the bottom, this piece here. See the rubber band? I'm going to try and tuck the hair. The rubber band helps keep the hair together too. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna kind of like tuck that around the back. Let me move this out the way. Tuck that underneath the bottom like that. See? tuck her there. You guys can see. Tuck her there like that. Yes, darling. Yes, look at that, y'all. No pins. Do you see that? No pins. Now, after I have wrapped those 3 sections, I'm noticing that I may need more than 6 locks for the middle, from the middle to do the swirl that I want to do. What I've decided to do is the last section of hair that I did not wrap around creating the bun, I decided to leave it out because I figured I would need more locks to create the swirl effect that I wanted on my bun. Okay, now for different hair lengths, or I'm sorry, for different bun sizes, the amount of locks that you leave out in the middle will vary. So just keep that in mind.